Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Introducing the best 10-inch miter saw, precision in every cut. In the realm of woodworking and carpentry, precision is paramount, and the choice of tools can make all the difference. Among the essential tools in a woodworker's arsenal, the 10-inch miter saw stands out as a versatile and indispensable companion. Renowned for its balance of power, portability, and precision, the best 10-inch miter saw is a tool that effortlessly combines functionality with efficiency. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, Bosch GCM1 Bosch's GCM1 cordless single-bevel miter saw, released in fall 2022, has gained popularity for its portability, power, and accuracy, particularly among carpenters and DIY enthusiasts. Weighing only 26 pounds and operating cordlessly with Bosch's biturbo brushless motor and 18V per factor batteries, it offers the convenience of working anywhere. The saw features a well-designed control system, with a natural locking power switch on the handle and user-friendly adjustment knobs. It boasts a capacity to cut nested crown molding, crosscut 2x4s and 2x6s, and a tall fence with a removable clamp for excellent workpiece support. On number 2, Delta 10-inch sliding. The Delta 10-inch sliding compound miter saw 26 to 2241 stands as a testament to precision, power, and user-friendly design. Crafted with the needs of both professionals and DIY enthusiasts in mind, this tool seamlessly combines accuracy with a robust 15-amp motor to deliver powerful and reliable cuts. Cutting-edge shadow guide technology. One of the standout features of this miter saw is its shadow guide cutting line. This innovative technology projects a consistent and accurate cutting line onto your workpiece, ensuring that every cut is precisely where you intend it to be. On number 1, Makita LS1018. The Makita LS1018 10-inch slide compound miter saw stands out as a top-notch tool in its class, offering a combination of lightweight design, powerful features, and professional-grade performance. Noteworthy highlights include its impressive smoothness and accuracy, making it well-received among users. With a big trigger and soft-start motor, it caters to both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. The saw's dual bevel capability enhances versatility, allowing for a wide range of cutting angles. In conclusion, the realm of woodworking and carpentry is significantly enhanced by the presence of the best 10-inch miter saws, and our exploration into their features and capabilities has illuminated their indispensable role in precision cutting. Whether you are a professional craftsman, a dedicated DIY enthusiast, or someone just beginning to delve into the world of woodworking, the advantages offered by these saws are undeniable. So guys, this was the video about the best 10-inch miter saw. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.